Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and today you and I together will be making almond crusted whitefish. Here's what you will need: some whitefish, cod or halibut, some of your grainless Keys Ingredients breading, slivered almonds, parsley, olive oil for frying or coconut oil, and some Dijon mustard. Whenever you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to coat my fish with Dijon mustard. I have a really fun little brush here, but a spatula will do. We're going to generously coat both sides of the fish. We're going to use our breading to dip the fish in. There are two options here, guys. You can either bake this fish or fry it. Here's our breading. Coated with Dijon so it's going to stick. Just roll our fish in that breading. Both sides. I'm choosing to fry this tonight just so I can show you how I do it. My favorite part about this fish is that kids say, "I like that chicken. Can I have some more?" Before adding your fish, I like to heat my pan and my oil. Pan first, then add the oil, and drop a little piece of breading in to make sure that it's going to sizzle and be hot enough to cook. With olive oil, you do want to keep it to a medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and add my fish. Both pieces. We are going to pan fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. If you chose to bake your fish, it's probably coming out of the oven. If you chose to fry, be sure to use your overhead fan so there's nothing fishy about that dinner. We're going to accessorize our fish. We're going to use some slivered almonds and some fresh parsley. Serve with a fresh salad and some veggies. And just like that, dinner's ready.